What up? This is gonna be a quick video on how I set up my 360 camera. Get asked quite a bit by people how exactly I get the 360 camera angle that I use. It's pretty easy. So this little piece here, which is actually holding the selfie stick onto the bike, is actually a piece of the stock license plate mount that was on the whale tail section of it. So I just kind of saw that off. All I really needed was, a right angle. And then just using a bolt to bolt it to the passenger peg mounting location. Obviously correct size bolts for the bottom of the selfie stick. Little Loctite just to keep that secure. And then good old zip ties, which I'm running just around this little area in this channel, just to give it a little extra support so the thing isn't, still has movement, still bouncing around a little bit, but it doesn't really let it bounce enough where it's gonna break this, because this is kind of a thin piece of metal. At some point, I'm gonna try to have somebody fabricate something a little bit more solid to hold this on, but for now this is how I do it. It works. The thing stays on at pretty high speed. But yeah, that's it.